start with the name of Allah who knows our heart secrets. I am Ali Asnan from the Department of Computer Science, Sindh University Campus, Ladkana. So I am going to present my topic operational research. So these are my topics. What is operational research? Second one is a transportation problem. Third one is a assignment solution. So the first one I'm going to describe first one what the operational research. So the operational research is a study of scientific study, a research for the purpose of making better decision. Overview. It is a discipline that deals with the application of advanced and analytical method to the facilitate better decision. It is a represent the study of the optimal resource allocations. Overview in the simple terms it is described as the science of better. Modern synonyms for the operational research are the management science or the decision science. It is often considered to be a subfield of the mathematics. But nowadays, the principle of techniques of the operational research are being applied in every field of human research and the development, including the healthcare science. So, the history of operational research. Operational research has been existed as a science since 1913, but as a formal discipline, operational research originated by the efforts of the military planner during the World War. The analytical study of military problems was the undertaking to provide efficient scientific basis of the decision to improve the military operations. History. In the decade of the World War II, the technique began to applied more widely in the problem of the business industries and resources. Since the time, operational research has been expanded into the field widely used in the industry, ranging from the petrochemical, airlines, finance, logistics, and the governments. Now it is become an area of active academic and industrial research. The technique of operational research have been applied and proven in the many industries under the different names. For instance, learn in the manufacturing, supply chain, in the logistics, and the yield management in the airlines. Organ of the operational research in the medicine and the public health. Operational research has been studied in the healthcare setting since 1952. So here is second topic is a transportation problem. So what is a transportation problem? Aim of transportation problem are the transportation model. To find out optimum transportation schedule keeping in the mind cost of the transportation to be minimized. What is the transportation problem? The transportation problem is a especially type of LPP where the objective is to minimize the cost of distributing in the product the number of resource or the organizing in the number of destinations because of the specification structure of the usual simplex method is not suitable for the transportation problems. These problems require some more method of the solution. The transportation problems of finding the minimum cost disturbing of a given commonly from a group of supply center source I equal to 1 and M to group of receiving center destination from J equal to 1. Each resource has a certain supply as 1. Each destination has a certain demand like dj. The cost of shipping from the source to a destination directly proportional to the number of unit in the shipped. So the simple network representation. There is supply 1 is a demand 1 and the supply 2 is a demand 2 and supply M is a demand N. cost CIJJ. Application of transportation problem: minimize shipping cost, determine low cost location, find the minimum cost, production schedule, military distribution system. So the two types of the transportation problems: balanced transportation problem, where the total supply equal total demand; unbalanced transportation system problem, where the total supply is not equal to the total demand. So the phase of the solution in the transportation problem: phase 1 is obtain the initial basic feasible solution, phase 2 is obtain the optimal basic solution. So the initial basic feasible solution, or the northwest corner rule, or the NWCR, and the row minima method, column minima method, least cost method, Vogel approximation method, WAM, and the optimum basic solution, stepping sense the method, and the modification disturbing method, aka MODI method. So the optimum basic solution, stepping stone method: select any unused square to the equivalent beginning the square to the space close the path and the back original square by the square that are the currently being used. So now I am going to tell you the last assignment solution in this topic. This is the final topic. Third one is the assignment solution. So the assignment solution problem is especially of the transportation problem is in which of the factories, jobs, etc., number of the markets, works, etc. So here are the aims of assignment problems: to minimize the total cost as per the given data. So use of the Harrigan method. Step 1 is to select the smallest element for the each row, column, and the subtract of it from the each element of the corresponding row and the column. So step number 2 is a rotate step 1 for the each column. Step number 3, examine those rows who have the exactly single zero, make assign 0 around the x and the cross x, all the 0 across in the same columns. So here understood the picture 1 is the W12 from the each to the 2 7 1 4 6, and from the 3 13 2, and the 3 is the J4 J1 3 and 4 WC 3. So the step number 1 is select the smallest element from the each row and column and abstract from the each element of the row and column. So here is the W4 is the smallest from the column and row number first, and the smallest one is the W1, and from here the J4 is the smallest value from the table. Here also same here from 3 and the 3 1 from the last, like J4 and W4, like 0 1 5 3 10 7 16 7 2 1 0 9 0 2 1 and the 3. So the step number 2, rotate the step 1 for the step number for the each number of the column. Since after the step 3 row and column has been assigned to the optimal assignment is found as usual 0 6 8 and the 2, same here. So the step 3 examine those rows who have the exactly single 0, make assign 0 around the it is cross x or the 0 in the same column, like 0 here and 0 and 0, 4 number in the last column of the 0 number. X is a cross and J1. Same here is in the previous picture. So W4 J2 and W2 J3 and JW3. J4 is a J1. So there is a easy understood table is a 3 plus 7 plus 1 plus 3 equal to 4 is the answer of this slide. So the example number 2, 4 jobs are had to be done to the 4 different machines to the cost of the rupees, and the producing is job on the JTTH machine is given below. Step number 1 is to select the smallest element from the each row and the subtract from each column from the corresponding. So here is the smallest one is a smallest one in this picture is 10, 11, 14 and 15, 16 and 13, 17. Has a 4, 1, 0, 2, 4, 5, 0, 0, 1, 4, 5, 0, 4, 5, 2, 0 and the 6. So in this table I will show you that repeat the step number 1 for the each column. Same here as previous. In this slide we have told you that there is a 4 1 in the previous slide, 4 0 2 1 4 is a 5 0 0 1, and same here in the previous picture. So the example number 3, examine those rows who have the exactly 0, make the assign 0 across in the cross all the 0 in the same column number. See here 0x 0 0x 0. So here the previous same table here. Finally the number of article is 11 plus 13 plus 4 plus 11 equal to 49. So the step number 1, select the smallest element from the each row column and the subtract from the each statement of the corresponding columns. Look at here, they are same here for in with the previous slide. So previous slide is given below here for the understanding for the previous slide like 2, and there has a step 2 is a repeat step 1 for the each column. Step 1, examine those rows who have exactly single 0, make to the 0 across its word similar to 0 in the same column. So same here, the step number 4, the optional, you can see tick row is done. For the assignment, examine the tick row and the tick column is across 0, examine. So tick it column those rows having any assignment. For here, take the rows and have the assignment has been given below. Examine the ticked rows for the tick columns cross zeros. Same here, I am showing you to examine tick column those rows having the assignments. So draw the lines for the unticked rows and the ticked columns here. This is a table showing you again. This is showing you the previous result from the we have tick mark from the lines. Same here in the previous rotate examine to the rows to have the exactly single 0, make assign 0 to the cross in the 0 0 in the same columns. So here I have done my topic. Thank you very much for your cooperation.